Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OUKITEL RT8 and I want to show you how see available random access memory on this device. To do that, open Settings application, scroll down and tap on our About Table selection, because firstly we must open our develop mode, and About Table we tap on build number sometimes to activate our develop mode. To confirm it, we must enter our look screen. Now we tap on System, where we have new additional selection developer option. In it, memory, and there we have all information about our available random access memory. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!